Getting 1,000 subscribers can be as easy as getting it in 1 month to next week, or even today when it comes to how YouTube works today, with a few tips and tricks that I wished I had known before. Hey there everyone, my name is Michael, here part of the 11th Dragoon crew. We hit the 1,000 goal mark a few days ago, and wanted to share some steps to take if you're struggling to reach that elusive 1,000 subscribers mark. In this video we'll go over some easy to follow steps that'll help you hit the jackpot and reach that milestone in no time. So, let's dive right in. Number 1. YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts is a feature within the YouTube app that allows you to create and share short videos, typically 15 minutes 60 seconds in length. These videos can cover a wide range of topics, from comedy to education, vlogs to pranks. And the best part, they can help you grow your channel like crazy. It's the hottest thing right now that get your views to rocket sky high. YouTube has many tools to help you grow, but Shorts is like your ultimate weapon. Just know that not every short is going to guarantee a lot of views, but its shorts gets passed around to a lot of people. 2. Identify your niche. The first step to building a loyal subscriber base is to find your unique selling point. Identify what you're passionate about and create content that resonates with a specific audience. This will help you stand out from the crowd and attract subscribers who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. 3. Consistency is key. Regularly uploading content is crucial for retaining subscribers and attracting new ones. Aim for at least one video a week, but more is even better. Consistency shows your audience that you're committed to your channel and that they can rely on you for fresh content. 4. Engage with your audience. Interacting with your subscribers by responding to comments and messages not only shows that you care about them, but also encourages them to stick around. You can also use social media platforms like Twitter and Instagram to promote your videos and engage with your followers outside of YouTube. 5. Collaborate with others. Collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche can help expose your channel to new audiences and bring in new subscribers. Plus, working with others can be a lot of fun and lead to lasting friendships within the YouTube community. 6. Use eye-catching thumbnails. Your video's thumbnail is often the first thing potential subscribers see, so it's important to make it count. Use high-quality images, clear text, and enticing graphics to grab attention and entice viewers to click on your videos. 7. Optimize your video descriptions. Don't forget about the importance of video descriptions. Include relevant keywords, a brief summary of your video, and links to your social media profiles. This will help your videos show up in search results and make it easier for new viewers to find your channel. 9. Promote your channel on other platforms. Don't forget to promote your YouTube Shorts channel on your other social media platforms, like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Share your videos, engage with your followers, and encourage them to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Now, it's not always an easy ride. Along the way, you're bound to face stress, feedback, and criticism. Some tips on how to handle these challenges and stay true to yourself that I can offer is to manage your expectations. It's important to remember that building a loyal audience takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't hit 1,000 subscribers overnight. Focus on consistently creating quality content and engaging with your followers. Take breaks. Burnout is real, and it can creep up on you when you're feeling the pressure to grow your channel. Make sure to take breaks, step away from social media, and do things you enjoy. This will help you stay refreshed and motivated. Seek support. Find a community of fellow creators who understand what you're going through. They can offer valuable advice, support, and encouragement when you need it most. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Use feedback constructively. Criticism can be tough to swallow, but it can also be a valuable tool for improvement. Ask yourself what you can learn from negative feedback and use it to grow as a content creator. Not all feedback is created equal, so be selective and don't let the haters get you down. Stay true to yourself. In the end, the most important thing is to be authentic. Don't try to be someone you're not or copy others in the hopes of going viral. Your unique voice and perspective are what will set you apart and attract a loyal audience. Now let's put these tips into practice with a little exercise. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and imagine yourself on the other side of this journey. You've hit 1,000 subscribers and you're feeling confident and proud of the person you've become as a content creator. How does that make you feel? How did you get there? What did you learn along the way? Take a moment to reflect on these questions and remember that you've got this. Keep creating, keep learning, and most importantly, stay true to yourself. Oh, and one more tip I forgot to share. Don't be ashamed of telling people to like, comment and subscribe to your channel. It's natural to feel self-conscious about promoting yourself or your work. It's important to remember that sharing your content and asking for engagement is a natural part of building an audience. And there you have it. By following these strategies, you'll be well on your way to hitting 1,000 subscribers with YouTube Shorts. Remember to be patient, consistent, and most importantly, have fun. Good luck and happy vlogging.